I just wanted to show you this device. It's an MSR reader, magnetic swipe reader. This is an external USB one. This one's out of my toolbox. It's very useful and it could save you quite a bit of money. If your main MSR reader goes down, sometimes the replacement integrated models can be quite expensive and they can be quite hard to source if you've got an old POS terminal. So these ones you can pick up reasonably cheap and it could get you out of a jam. You can also use these for if you've got membership or loyalty or any customer cards, coffee cards, and there's some issues with the cards and the numbers aren't matching up and maybe the customers are complaining, you can plug this into your laptop or back office PC, open Windows Notepad, swipe the card and just see what data is coming through on that, so you can see what customer number is it matching what's printed on the card, so it could be quite useful. Hope this helps.